going to solve. Figure out. Figure it out. Yesterday, figure it out. ये क्वेश्चन सीरीज, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन सीरीज, क्वेश्चन माला. Yesterday we have learned about the perfect square and to identify perfect square and not perfect square. Okay. Its first question is, which of the following numbers are called perfect square? Which of the following? First question है 2032. What is the rules and regulation of the perfect square and non-perfect square? If the unit digits, if the unit digit, what mean by unit digit? If the unit digit 4, 6, 9, 0, 1. Fine. If unit digits are these, then we can say it the perfect square. Now we have 2032, यानी 2032 number. Its unit digit is 2. Its unit digit is 2. If unit digit is 2, then it is not a perfect square. So it is not. It is not a perfect square. I mean, you all have been learned about this. आप लोग सभी इसको जान लें कि इसका ये जो इकाई अंक है वो यदि 2, 3, 7 और 8 हो, if its unit digit, if the number has unit digit are 2, 3, 7 and 8, then it will not perfect square. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Have you any problem?
No, sir.
All numbers you can identify easily.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next. What is next? 2048. 2048. Is it a perfect square?
No,
No, it is not a perfect square. Why? Because it has unit digit is 8. Okay?
Yes, sir.
1027. Third question. It is a perfect square?
No, sir.
Why? Because its unit digit is 7. So it is not a perfect square. Okay? Next question number 2. ये तो आप करो 1089. Yes, it is a 1089. 1089. Its unit digit is 9. It means it is a perfect. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the rules of the easily identification of the perfect square. And second method, we can factorize प्राइम फैक्टराइज यदि हम इनका अभाज्य गुणनखंड क्या कर सकते हैं प्राइम फैक्टर्स एंड आफ्टर प्राइम फैक्टर्स वी मेक ग्रुप ग्रुप की सिमिलर स्पेलिंग क्या है ग्रुप कपल और
पेन
pair ठीक है ना you can make the pair of the given numbers of prime factors okay
यस सर
which number has not the pair completed then it will not by factors square okay next second question which one among 64 square 180 square has last digit ये भी इजी है सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इजी which one among 64 square 108 square 292 square 36 square has last digit what is our question is saying our question is saying the last digit is 4 these are the numbers numbers in form of square its unit digit is 4 4 into 4 1 6 it has unit digit will be 6 it's 108 into 108 unit digit 8 है 8 into 8 64 mean it has unit digit will be 4 okay furtherly you can check this numbers it has unit digit is 4 now 292 into 292 its unit digit is the 4 2 into 4 it has unit digit is 4 have you any problem then you have to check by the unit digit multiply the unit digit by the same number itself same number or itself number okay like 2 and 2 4 3 and 3 9 here you have to look at the unit digit 6 into 6 36 its unit digit is the 6 okay okay अब इसको थोड़ा हिंदी में बताऊंगा आपको अगर आपको इनमें जो संख्याएं दी गई है पूर्ण वर्ग की उनका इकाई का अंक वो देख करके और उसको उसी से गुणा करने पर जो गुणनफल प्राप्त होता है प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द मल्टीप्लिकेशन after you have to work what is the unit digit of this number यानी उस गुणनफल को वापस उसका इकाई अंक देखना है और उस इकाई अंक का संख्या कौन सी है ठीक है ना तो you have to work the product of the unit digit or its unit digit यानी पुनः उसका इकाई अंक देखना है next question given 125 square is the 156 25 what is the value of 126 square then you have to find 126 square and compare the following options यानी आपको 126 का स्क्वायर ज्ञात करना है स्क्वायर ज्ञात करने के बाद ये जो ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं इनको कंपेयर करना है कौन सा नीच खाना है, ठीक है ना। 126 into 126 करिए कितना है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन of 126 and 125 square is the given 156 You can find the square of the 126. After this, you can compare this number or given option. Which option is maybe correct? कौन सा जो ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है, विकल्प दिया हुआ है, वो सही बैठ रहा है। कितना है? अगर आप ऐसे चलेंगे तो मैथ्स में आपका माइंड कैसे साथ कैसे ये आ रहा है, ये आ रहा है। अब इसमें से इसको घटाओ, 15,876 minus 15,625. How many you are getting? Which option are the correct? In my knowledge, the fourth option is the absolutely correct. Fourth option is the absolutely correct. 15,625 plus 251. We are getting 15,876. Fourth option is the absolutely correct. Have you any problem?
No, sir.
You can identify the which option is the correct easily.
Yes, sir.
Easily.
Yes, sir.
Next, find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 centimeter square. Find the length of the side of a square whose area. When areas of a square are given, then we have to find the side. We have to find the square root of given area. Given area means जो भी क्षेत्रफल दिया गया है वर्ग का, उस वर्ग का जो क्षेत्रफल दिया गया है उसकी जगह भुजा ज्ञात करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, उसका वर्गमूल निकालेंगे। क्या करेंगे? वर्गमूल निकालेंगे। तो if the area of the square are given, then we have to find the square root of given area from the side. यानी किसी भी वर्ग की भुजा ज्ञात करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, उसका वर्गमूल निकालेंगे, स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे। We will find the square root of the given area. Here 441 square root. This symbol is the square root. Symbol of square root is the okay. Now 441 by prime vectors. Its unit digit is the 1. Means smallest number is 2 is not completely divided by it. Then we have to divide it by the 3. 1 और 4 फिर 7 फिर 3 4 और 9 फिर 7 फिर ये पेड़ और ये रूट ऑफ 4 4 1 equal to 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Root of square root of 4 1 equal to 3 into 7 21 meter. Okay. prime factorization method. Or after prime factorization, we have group or pair. Make a pair. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
No.